Zara and the Rainy Day Smile. On a rainy morning, raindrops tapped gently against the windows. Outside, puddles had already formed across the schoolyard. Inside the classroom, children watched sadly.
We can't play outside. It's raining. This is the worst playground day ever.
Just then, a soft glow appeared in the cloudy sky. Zara the Unicorn landed quietly near the puddles. She looked around and gently tapped her glowing horn.
Wow, water's shining!
Whoa, it's so bright!
It's magic!
Let's go
Look
and
at
see!
Zara! Yay, Zara!
Rainy days can be fun too! I feel something special nearby. Tap subscribe so we can meet again.